Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about Pundi X token swap staking highlights. And now, if you want to catch crypto videos and Pundi X videos daily, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. So let's begin by clearing up a question that I'm seeing come up a lot, and is whether the NPXS to Function X token ratio will be a 1-to-1, and this is not the case. The swap will be available from April to May 2019, lasting 3 months. Now, something really cool is that all NPXS converted to FX will be burned. This means that it will be taken off of its total supply permanently, and this is pretty amazing because this is going to definitely help the NPXS ecosystem if a lot of them get swapped. NPXS tokens that are converted will still be eligible for the 15% FX token distribution, and this is pretty great because it comes to show how Pundi X really cares about their supporters, their believers, and their users. They've done the airdrops. Now they're doing the 15% even after converting your NPXS tokens. So it's pretty amazing, and I'm sure more sweet things are going to come like this. You can actually see one on the X wallet if you go under bonus, and you can actually get rewarded for daily logins in Ethereum, Bitcoin, and then NPXS tokens. This is a small amount, but it's still pretty amazing how they do that. You know, it's pretty sweet if you ask me. Now, something really awesome is that at the end of the staking and swapping process is over, if any FX tokens are left at the end of all of this, they will be offered to all NPXS and NPXSM holders at a 1-to-1 ratio. And I think this is where everybody was getting confused. They were probably like reading this. I know that when I first saw this, I kind of took it as a 1-to-1 swap, but then it was brought to my attention, and this is actually going to be after, if any are left over. But honestly, I think Function X is going to be pretty amazing. So I don't know if there will be any left over. If there is, and I'm able to participate in this, I'm definitely going to do at least half of my NPXS. I believe in both projects. Now, a little bit more about what's currently going on is I want to begin by mentioning that do not try to use your exchange wallet address to stake your FX tokens. And the Pundi X team has actually said this over and over in articles, because this will not work. If you try to use your exchange address to stake your FX tokens on the X wallet, you're just going to lose your tokens, so do not do this. Now, I do have some videos on how to stake on your X wallet, and I do have a video on how to stake with your private wallet like my Ether wallet and etc. Now, something just to clear something up, you can send your NPXS to your X wallet, and then from your X wallet, once they're in your X wallet, then you can stake them through following the process, which I have a video on that as well. I put the link to those in the description, and I also post them at the end of this video. And as well as something really important to note is that once March 20th arrives, you actually have to go into your X wallet app, and you actually have to go under card, and it should be under your Function X virtual card, and you actually have to click the button stake. If you don't, then it's not going to begin staking automatically for you. So you want to make sure you do that on March 10th as soon as you can. And I mean, that pretty much does it for this videos. If you guys have any any questions, any comments, anything you would like to add, any suggestions, just leave it in the comment below, and I'll be sure to get to it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.